Hello there, hi, my name is Theo and welcome to my reaction to Chainsaw Man Season 1 Episode 4. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a Christmas sweater, and it's even World of Warcraft themed as well, you can check out my Dragonflight Legacies reaction to Chapter 2 and you'll get the answer there. But we're here for Chainsaw Man, and last episode we had Haru's betrayal, basically. She has a pet complex just like Denji here, but instead of actually trusting Denji to slay the Bat Devil, the first thing she did was trying to feed him to the Bat Devil, and all of that just to rescue Meowie, which then got eaten anyway. I really hope that Meowie is still alive. Power is definitely gonna survive that. But yeah, I'm not sure if Meowie survived. The Bat Devil didn't chew, and he was in a cage, so she might have been pretty safe in his belly. So I'm gonna bet on both of them surviving. What I'm not as sure about is if Denji's gonna get his reward that he made a deal on with Power. But I really hope he does, because they have to move on to the next stage of the joke, otherwise it's gonna get really old. And I really hope that it doesn't get old. But yeah, what am I excited for this episode? I guess more Aki, because we only had this brief introduction in episode 2 and no real bonding time yet. And maybe either some teasing or just meeting new characters. But yeah, with all of that out of the way, let's get right into the episode. Oh, more Power backstory. I mean, okay, so devils don't need human blood. Poor bear. And they only need blood. Not any of the flesh, apparently. Or meat, you know. Aw, Meowie. I really hope you survive. Oh. Is this how she gets captured by Makima? Oh! Ouch! I really want to see what happened to her body. Oh. Yes! Both are alive. Chat move, Denji. Oh, come on, be thankful. Yep. Gotta hold up your part of the bargain. Is he gonna go for it? Is it gonna happen? Come on. Interference? Someone else? Uh-oh. Oh. What the fuck is that? The worm devil? What the fuck? We're going right into the next fight? Boob devil? Something gross, definitely. Oh! Ah, it doesn't work completely. I love chainsaw. Oh. Good consequence, I guess. Oh. Oh. Devil Society? What the fuck is that devil? Oh god. Let's see how much he can do without his chainsaw powers. Ooh. That's probably the most disgusting devil we've had yet. Right? Oh. Fuck. Okay, so he still has pretty good strength. Or not? That's quite a dream. He's gonna monologue about how it's actually a pretty good dream. Please don't touch the devil's boobs. Oh. Murder, right? Oh, he's gonna strangle her with the bad devil's guts or something. Oh, he's tripping her. I love how resourceful he is. Oh, his eye's gonna pop out. Put your eye back in, please. Ah. Why is that so off-putting? And... oh. I was about to say fatality, but... you know. Makima? Maki. Oh. Leech devil. What? Don't tell me that he's a summoner. Another Jujutsu Kaisen reference? Please. More characters, yeah. Himeno, okay. She looks great. Okay, good. His eye is back in. Ooh, apple slices. A bit of hypocrisy. He's a summoner. Foxtail. Oh. Oh, so every time he uses it. Don't kill her. You know, it seems like he's a good person again, but he's all about that chest fondling. Ooh. Oh. I like that we get some repercussions. The condition is to never kick me in the balls again. Or that. Has he never had apples? Alright then. Come on, you could be less cold. Is he gonna go and meet Makima? Yeah, he is. I think he has the hots for her as well. Gun flash? What? There's an approved area. Huh. I'm getting weird vibes from Makima now. It's beautiful, this show. Is Denji not living with him anymore? They're letting the episode breathe. I like that. There he is. Okay. He hasn't gotten better at making his sandwiches. It's power. She wants entry. Yes, she does. He's gonna live with them as well. I'm gonna love the dynamic. Oh. She's already not doing that. When is Denji gonna get his... Oh. Just when Denji became a better roommate. Is he gonna get his reward? Oh, gross. That. Come on, Denji. What is this? Oh. Oh, come on. We don't get to see it, but at least we get a new ED, I guess. These episodes are getting better and better. I mean, come on. I think Denji is gonna move on from his goal of bundling chests and actually achieve it next episode, hopefully. Or we might just get a confirmation next episode that it happened. It might not fit into this anime to actually see him do it. But in the end, I'm really happy that we are not gonna get the same joke over and over again. That was probably my biggest concern with Chainsaw Man. And we got so much more information. Apparently devils are having some kind of society. At least the ones that can actually talk. There are the ones that go into partnerships with each other, like the Bat Devil and the Leech Devil. Yeah, that one. I'm so happy that it wasn't the Boob Devil or something, and it was manifested by Denji or something like that. And we have Fushiguro, I mean Aki, our summoner, our devil summoner. But he actually has a bigger drawback, or his ability causes a bigger drawback. He actually has to sacrifice something. And in this case, it was the skin on his arm, which is, you know, ouch. Can't imagine, that's painless. Ah, fuck, oops. Forgot the light. Oh, my bad. But yeah, we got Division 4. And I guess all of the characters that are in there, with one of them even named Himeno, I think her name was. Eye patch lady. And she seems fun. And I guess in combination with Division 4, we got some more Aki focus as well. He, I think, has a thing for Makima, just like Denji. But maybe he's loyal to her. And he actually has a soft spot for Denji, and Power even though he doesn't want to admit it. You know, he's talking about using devils but not making friends with them. Ooh. But yeah, and just when Denji finally became a good roommate, or not as bad a roommate because he, listens to Akino, power comes into the mix and throws everything into chaos again. And I'm super happy about the dynamic that they are sharing right now, and I'm so excited to see where it develops in the future. And yeah, we even saw what it's like for Denji to not have all of his chainsaw powers when he's low on blood, which I like as a consequence, but I'm not entirely sure why Power couldn't move. Guess the story needed her to stay down? Because I don't see a reason. She just got swallowed by the Bad Devil, and I mean, if she just, I don't know, got a drop of Denji's blood, then she could have regenerated to full power, right? Anyway, the fight scene was amazing, the Leech Devil was awful, and the episode all in all was amazing. So yeah, as always, you can find the full-length timer reactions to these episodes on my Patreon, but you could also just like, subscribe and comment on this video. All of these things are gonna help me out a whole lot, and I'd be just very thankful in general. So as always, I hope you're gonna watch the next episode together with me, and until then, bye bye.